Welcome to Introduction to Sociology. This is Professor Fenlon. This is going to be a brief video to take you through Blackboard to show you where the assignments are and the content are and your discussion questions. So this is your home page. You'll see that there'll be any new announcements here when you open up your home page. Underneath that is instructor information and syllabus. So here you'll just see a short video introducing you to myself and a little bit more about the course. And here you will find your syllabus, which has everything you need to know about the semester, when things are due, the topics we're covering, and general policies. Underneath that, you have lesson plans, assignments, and tests. Here you will see there is a homework assignments folder. When you click in there, will have all of your assignments for the semester right here. And to submit a homework assignment, you simply click, and then you can either write your assignment on a Word document and attach a file, or you can simply write here in the box and answer your homework questions, right? And then you answer your questions as such, and then you just hit submit. And that will automatically come to me, and then I will grade it, and that grade will be in your grade book. Okay, we're going to come back here. So that's homeworks. Here's where your tests and papers are, and when you, right now you cannot see anything because none of those tests or papers are due. And when they are, then they will become live and you can access it. But you will be taking your exams and all of the instructions for the paper will be right here. Each week and each chapter has its own content folder. So when you click on Introduction to Sociology, you will see right here there is a PowerPoint that you are responsible for watching. And that PowerPoint is narrated. So as you watch that, you can hear my voice going over the content. Same with, so when we start chapter 1, you'll see again, here is a PowerPoint. And then there'll also be any videos that are in that PowerPoint that you would like to watch. Okay, so again, each chapter has its own content folder, and that's where weekly you're going to find your lectures week to week. So every week you're going to click on the chapters folder, and within that folder you're going to see the lecture for that week. Each week there is a discussion question that you are responsible for answering. And so you come right down here on discussions, and you'll see there's an icebreaker for day 1, and then each chapter is going to have a discussion question. Sometimes there is a video to watch to either respond to in the discussion question, or a video that just helps to support what the prompt is that you have to answer. So to answer a discussion question, you're going to click right here on the link, and you're going to create a thread to answer it. So let's see, icebreaker, and then you're going to say something that is the first one is something that's important to you and why. So you go ahead and answer that and hit submit. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is in tools. So there's various things here. You can look at your grades right here. You can send an email. There is also a calendar. So if you want to use that, you can see when all of the homework assignments are due. So that's the overview of Blackboard. And we'll be using this really for everything this semester. This is where you're going to access all of your content, submit all of your homework, take your tests. It's really for everything. So I hope that gives you a quick overview of where things are for this course in Blackboard. And as always, contact me with any questions. Okay, thanks for watching.